In this video, I am going to show you how to find Telegram channels you left. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead to your Telegram channel. As you can see, I will leave this channel now and then go ahead search for it. Just remember the name of the channel and you will always find it. So go ahead, head to Google Chrome and then type in the name of the channel that you have left, if you see or remember it. And then after that, just click on the first Telegram link and then click join. And now you have basically rejoined the Telegram that you have left. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.